Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I want to talk today about the new version X18 just recently released to public beta. And in particular, in my case here, I've used it and swapped back and forth between 17 and 18 on a couple of projects. And also created some items in my library that weren't pulled over. So how do I deal with that? I haven't officially made the full migration to 18, but that's coming soon. So I've got X18 open and I'm going to go to Edit Preferences. If you're on a Mac, I believe it's File Preferences, and click on Reset Options here. I can reset the migration button. Here is my next to last button, and I'll click on that, and it says, get out of their way. Are you sure you want to migrate your content and settings again? Any existing libraries, templates, preferences, toolbars, hotkeys, and other settings may be overwritten when you do. In other words, any changes I might have made to 18 might get overwritten by the settings I pull from 17. I haven't used 18 enough yet to have that be a problem, so I'm going to click yes. Now we zoom in again, and it says the Migrate Content and Settings dialog will appear the next time you launch the program if an older version is found on this computer, which is great by me because that's what I wanted it to do anyway. I'm going to click OK, and I will close the program. Be right back. All right, so I've closed the program, and it looks like I've opened it twice. We'll zoom in on this is our Migrate Content and Settings dialog. So do I want to migrate settings, preferences, templates, toolbars, hotkeys? Yes, I'm going to check all of these. Migrate content from Chief Architect Premier X17, which is the core bonus and manufacturer catalogs, as well as my user catalogs. I'm going to go ahead and import the projects and the tags as well. I'm just going to select everything and click OK and let it do its business. Might take a while. So it's doing the migrate settings. I'm going to pause again and let you know how long that took. Whew, that took 52 minutes for my settings and my system. Your user settings have been migrated successfully. You can view the migration log. There's all the files and directories that they've migrated, and it is ready to go. Let's zoom out, and it's reloading settings now. Let's see what we got next. It's thinking. And now it's going to ask if we want to generate thumbnails. Let's see how long that takes. Okay, and there we have it. I've got my libraries are all here. That's good. It's downloading catalogs as we speak. The thumbnails in my catalogs took just over 12 minutes for 2,500 items. Now we're just downloading catalogs and getting them ready to go for X18. And we'll be ready to do production, I think. So if you found this helpful, I hope you click like and subscribe down there. Let me know what you think. And if it's valuable, would you consider a small donation at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.